We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the adjustable thumbs-up lazy cell phone stand for desk by ENNSOO. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The ENNSOO thumbs-up lazy cell phone stand is a compact portable accessory designed to hold smartphones, tablets, and e-readers ranging from 4 to 10 inches. Its unique thumbs-up design immediately stands out, offering a playful yet practical addition to any workspace, bedside table, or kitchen counter. This stand is marketed as a fun gift for teenagers, gadget enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates quirky but useful tech accessories. The stand is constructed from high-quality, eco-friendly materials that are both durable and flexible. This ensures that the product can withstand frequent adjustments without losing its shape or effectiveness. The soft silicone hands are a key feature, providing a secure grip on devices while protecting them from scratches and slips. This makes the stand suitable for hands-free use in a variety of settings, whether you are video calling, watching movies, or reading. One of the most praised aspects of this product is its wide device compatibility. Users have successfully used it with iPhones, iPads, Huawei phones, Samsung devices, and even e-readers. The adjustable viewing angles allow for both vertical and horizontal orientations, making it versatile for different activities. Whether you are attending a video call, streaming content, or simply browsing, the stand can be adjusted to provide an optimal viewing experience. Many users comment on the vibrant, multicolor set, which adds a pop of personality to any environment. This colorful appearance is especially appealing to children and teenagers, making the stand a popular choice for gifts, party favors, and team giveaways. The lightweight and portable design means it can be easily carried in a bag or pocket, making it convenient for travel or use on the go. In terms of performance, the stand is described as sturdy and reliable. Despite its small and compact size, it holds devices securely in place without tipping over, even during extended use. This stability is particularly appreciated during activities like FaceTime calls or long browsing sessions. Some users have purchased multiple sets to share with family members or colleagues, highlighting its appeal as a practical and enjoyable gadget. However, the product is not without its drawbacks. Several reviewers note that the silicone hands, while effective at gripping devices, can block a significant portion of the screen when used vertically. This can be particularly noticeable on larger phones or when using the stand with certain models, such as the Moto G Stylus 2021. Additionally, while the stand supports both vertical and horizontal orientations, the horizontal angle is limited and may not be suitable for all viewing preferences. Some users find that the stand only provides a slight angle in horizontal mode, reducing its usefulness for watching videos or reading in landscape orientation. Another common observation is that the stand works best with devices that do not have a case or have a slim case. Phones with thicker or bulkier cases may not fit as securely, and the grip may be less effective. This limitation is important to consider for users who prefer to keep their devices protected with heavy-duty cases. Despite these issues, the overall user sentiment is positive. The stand is frequently described as clever, practical, and entertaining. Its durability is praised, with many users noting that the heavy-duty plastic construction feels robust and unlikely to break easily. The bright colors and playful design make it a hit with children, and its functionality as a hands-free holder is valued by adults who spend significant time on their devices. The product's dimensions are compact, measuring 1.18 by 0.79 by 0.39 inches, and weighing just 0.353 ounces. This makes it unobtrusive on any surface and easy to transport. The stand has received a customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 10 ratings, indicating a generally high level of satisfaction. It ranks #129065 in cell phones and accessories, and #471 in cell phone stands on Amazon, reflecting its niche appeal and growing popularity. The ENNSOO Thumbs-Up Lazy Cell Phone Stand is manufactured in China and was first made available in January 2025. Its eco-friendly materials and sturdy construction contribute to its appeal as a sustainable and long-lasting accessory. Many users highlight its value as a gift, especially for children's parties or as a team-building token. The stand's ability to add a fun, colorful touch to any space is frequently mentioned as a selling point. In summary, the ENNSOO Thumbs-Up Lazy Cell Phone Stand offers a combination of fun design, practical functionality, and reliable performance. Its main strengths are its wide device compatibility, adjustable viewing angles, secure grip, and vibrant appearance. The portability and durability of the stand make it suitable for a variety of users, from teenagers to adults, and its affordability adds to its appeal as a gift or personal accessory. The primary drawbacks are the limited horizontal viewing angle, potential screen obstruction from the silicone hands, and less effective grip on phones with thick cases. Despite these minor issues, the overall consensus is that the stand is a worthwhile purchase for anyone seeking a playful and practical way to hold their devices. Whether you need a hands-free solution for video calls, movie watching, or simply propping up your phone while you work, the ENNSOO Thumbs-Up Lazy Cell Phone Stand delivers on its promises. Its combination of durability, flexibility, and fun design makes it a standout choice in the crowded market of phone accessories. If you are looking for a unique, reliable, and colorful phone stand, this product is highly recommended by users across the internet. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with the stand, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.